Hey, it's David Chinelli here, realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip, again, we're doing that spring cleaning kind of vibe. You know, the weather's getting really nice out, so we want to utilize that sunshine in our home. So what you need to do is clean your windows. It sounds funny, whether you're selling your home or whether you just want to get all that natural sun into your home and just make your house look beautiful, it's a good idea to both clean inside your windows, inside the home, and also outside. If you have a two-story home, I know it is a little bit harder to get somebody out there, but there's tons of cleaning services which aren't too expensive that you can call. I know there's even Jiffy if you want to call Jiffy. I'm not giving them a plug. I'm just saying you might be able to use them as well. But yeah, just Google search them, get a company in there. Again, you don't have to clean your windows every single week, but it's a good time right now and makes your house feel brighter and just nicer on the inside if you clean your windows. And if you are looking to sell, it does actually help sell your home as well. Have a great day. Bye for now.